As shown in the demonstration scenario, an attacker uses phishing emails to trick users into clicking malicious links or attachments, leading to code execution or malware download. Once the user's device connects to a Cobalt Strike server, the attacker gains full control of the endpoint, enabling remote command execution, data theft, or malware propagation. The attacker may then move laterally across the network, compromising additional systems using credentials or vulnerabilities. Finally, the attacker may use the infected machines to perform brute force attacks for more access, and potentially deploy mining tools inside the network, continuously eroding enterprise security defenses. We will now demonstrate how LogEase SIEM supports incident investigation and root cause analysis. First, we enter the SIEM security situation large screen, which displays comprehensive attacks, situation, and key metrics. On the central globe view, connections between attack sources and targets are clearly visible. Based on this information, we can quickly understand the overall security status. Clicking on a suspicious email alert redirects to the threat overview page and then to the alert details page. By expanding the alert, you can view basic information such as the sender, recipient, and any suspicious links or attachments in the email. With this information, you can initially determine whether the email poses a threat. Clicking View Details allows you to see more related information about the alert. To better evaluate the incident, we can check Related Threat Intelligence. The SIEM platform automatically compares suspicious elements in the email against the latest threat intelligence database to determine if they are linked to known malicious activities. After confirming the threat, we identify affected hosts and users through the SIEM interface. This helps us locate potential victims and implement appropriate protective measures. To assess the severity of the threat, we review associated alerts that may indicate the attacker's follow-up actions or impacts on other systems. In order to gain a deeper understanding of the attacker's operations, we conducted forensic analysis at the network layer. Through traffic capture and log analysis, we can track the complete communication process between the attacker and the CS server and further clarify the attack path. Through network forensic, we noticed that the relevant host attempted to communicate with the external C2 server, which is a common means of further penetration after the phishing email. Next, we analyze endpoint logs from infected hosts to confirm whether the phishing email successfully executed malicious code. We look for high-risk behaviors such as new processes, file modifications, or PowerShell activity used to download files. Combining findings from both network and endpoint layers, the SIEM automatically reconstructs the complete attack chain. This allows us to map the entire attack lifecycle, from initial phishing to outbound C2 communications and further infiltration. Finally, using the traceability analysis tools, we trace the origin of the attack, identify the initial breach point, and understand possible attack objectives. This insight serves as a foundation for strengthening future defense strategies. This concludes the demonstration of the scenario. Thank you for watching.